Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple and savory grilled mussels. Let's get started! Hi guys! The mussels are already clean and I'm going to season this with spicy garlic. You can season this with any seasoning you like. Just sprinkle it on top of the mussels. I'll sprinkle cheese on some mussels. My cast iron grill is preheated. Let's grill these mussels. I love the smell of grilled mussels. And I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil to make sure that the mussels are thoroughly cooked, and cook this for 5 minutes over medium heat. Check this out. Steamy, savory grilled mussels. Wow! Who can resist this? Let's try the grilled mussels. And I love to squeeze some lemon on it. Let's try this. Wow, this is so good. I love mussels. And let's try with the cheese one. This one is good too, but I think I like the plain one with the hint of some spices. This is very simple way of cooking mussels, and this recipe is a winner. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!